In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find houses on Zillow, a popular platform for real estate listings. Whether you're looking to buy or rent, Zillow provides a comprehensive overview of available properties across numerous locations. Let's dive into the steps to efficiently utilize this platform for your house hunting needs. Firstly, open your preferred web browser and head over to Zillow's official website. If you already have an account, log in using your credentials. Logging in allows you to save your favorite listings and receive notifications about new listings matching your preferences. If you don't have an account, consider creating one. It's quick and can enhance your browsing experience. Once you're logged in, the next step is to search for your desired location. At the top of the Zillow homepage, you'll find a search bar where you can enter the city, neighborhood, or zip code that you have in mind. After typing in your location, hit the Enter key to see the available properties in that area. Now, as the search results load, you'll notice that Zillow categorizes its listings into those that are for sale and those for rent. This differentiation is convenient depending on your specific interest. Let's say you're looking to make a purchase. Simply click the For Sale tab. On the other hand, if renting is your goal, click on For Rent. To further refine your search, you can filter the type of home you're looking for. Look for the Home Type filter, which helps you narrow down the results to houses in particular. Zillow offers a variety of property types such as apartments, condos, and townhomes. Since our focus is on houses, you'll want to ensure only the Houses option is checked. This way, your search results will exclusively feature standalone homes. After setting the home type, confirm any selections by clicking the Apply button. This step ensures that all your filter choices are activated, providing you with a tailored list of properties. And just like that, you will now have a comprehensive listing of houses in your chosen area. From here, delve into the listings that catch your eye. Each property will offer details like pricing, photos, and key features that can aid you in making informed decisions. Take your time to explore these listings, and if you find a property that interests you, use Zillow's features to schedule a viewing or contact the listing agent directly. The platform is designed to streamline this process, making it easier for you to make contact and get more information. With these steps, you'll be well on your way to finding your next home using Zillow's intuitive platform. Happy house hunting, and we wish you the best of luck in finding that perfect place.